Tatan mami gilangit,
Our Father in heaven,
esta guiham guini, mandanya ginaan mo.
we are gathered here in your name
Mandanya ham pagu ni pamilyan mami, zan todo imangatsong mami.
We come together today with our families and friends
Gininhihut zan sago como un komunidad.
from near and far as one community.
Manmatuham para in celebra imina 5 na inenon kulturan Chamorro.
We come to celebrate our 5th Chamorro Cultural Fest.
Para in pakay kulturan Islas Mami zan intero komunidad San Diego.
To share our island culture with our San Diego community.
Eng gagagawhaw ibendisyon mo
We pray for your blessings
para inengkano ni in prepara
for the foods that we